What we're going to do in this one is talk about something called fixtures. So let's go straight to the board. Now, fixtures, what are they? They're used in testing, and what they essentially do, little templates, little bits of data you can reuse throughout the bits of the test. So these are often resources for configuration. And the way you mark something to be a fixture using Pytest is just with this little macro here, this decorator here, this Pytest.fixtures. And then you can do, and it's really cool, so sometimes you don't even have to import them, they can just automatically be injected into certain pieces of code. So what we'll do now is we'll go to the next slide and we'll go through an example of writing a fixture with Pytest, and we'll just run through this. And you see here numbers is a fixture. We're just going to go through it or write it out, and hopefully you will understand fixtures by the time I'm done with this explanation. So here we've got the now we'll go to testing. So let's just, that's awesome. Now let's just go to the testing, which is here, and we're going to make a conf.test. Now, conf.test is essentially where you put all your configuration files. So conf.test looks like this. You just go conf, so just conf test, and we're just gonna put the numbers. So follow along with the slides. We're just copying this. So I'm just gonna copy our numbers fixture. That's looking good. So what this is going to be is like, we'll just write the number variable somewhere else in the test, and it'll execute this function here and return this tuple of numbers right here. So maybe, tell you what, just so you can see the code, I'm going to zoom in just a bit. So now let's go back to test calculator here, and we'll just write another test there. So copy that over, paste that there. Great. So what we can do is we can just test this. So we can get rid of this because this is up here. We define our numbers, which are this mysterious number thing. So where does that come from? So look, like the VS Code is just auto detecting numbers from somewhere, which is awesome. Amazing. So let's run this. So remember how to run just a single function in Pytest. Well, you go Pytest, and we just want to run this one, right? So it was -k tests. Let's bring this on the screen a little bit more. Oh, it was add with fixture. Let's run it. Oops, I forgot the talking mark, so I'll just go Control C on that, do that, finish that off, put that there. Great. And it detected the number fixture there, which is awesome. Great. Good. So in conf, so what happened? What was going on? So we made this conf.test file, we made a fixture, and then we simply pass it in as an argument there, and then that's it. So we just destructure the tuple there and put it into our add function, and we're all good. And if you recall, it was 6 and 3, which is what we should get. We should get 9. So that is a very simple introduction to fixtures.